intense.
Fucking sick.
It's intense. Wow. Woo!
I wasn't even pushing it.
Okay, so just went with our second pass through the Hawk's Nest. Is absolutely intense. It's insane. A lot of people say this road is overrated. Not when it's your first time here. It's definitely not overrated.
Short, yes. Overrated, no.
No, it's short. It's just a quick hit. It's like a roller coaster, right?
Yeah.
For sure. It is super twisty. You got a cliff on one side and rock on the other. It's tight, but it's intense, man. It's fast, it's intense, and it's fun. It's a lot of fun. It's worth the ride. First impression is definitely worth the ride, right?
Oh, yeah. This road's awesome.
Is that sick?
So fun.
Yeah.
So great.
It's so tight. When you're coming through here at speed, you're so close to the wall on the one side, and then on the other side you got just, you know, a small stone wall and a drop, a big far drop. You know, you look at how close the road here is to the wall when you're ripping through here. It's close. All right. I stopped to shoot Danny driving through, and we met this guy who's on a Yamaha R6. And of course I asked him, like, are there any other good roads around here to drive? So we're actually gonna turn around.
We're gonna follow him for about 3 miles. He's gonna take us to another road.
And we're gonna follow an R6, and hopefully we don't get kidnapped or killed. So, going through. All right, here we go. Making a left, following Nick. There goes Nick. Do not try and keep up with Nick. water hazard. Oh, this is pretty intense. Slow, don't hit Nick.
Yeah, I don't want to hit him.
No. Wow.
The elevation.
Wow.
This is the spot where that guy in the RS crashed.
Is that it?
I think it is.
I'm not sure.
That might have been it.
Like where he rolled up the wall?
Yeah. That was in New York, wasn't it?
I think so, yeah. Watch the gravel. That'll launch you. Ah, there's the old overlift. Slow, 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 slow. Loop. Our way to follow Nick, going to some road near High Point. And he was trying to give us directions, and you know, GPS isn't gonna take the roads that he would take. So he's like, screw it, man. Guys, just follow me. I can go home that way. It's all good. So drove the Hawk's Nest, drove this other little lookout road, and now we're going to drive the road to High Point. Here we go. Following Nick, and I guess he'll give us the hand signal when we get going. Wow, dude. Oh my God. Easy, killer, easy.
I'm good, bro.
Traction control's on?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, there you go.
Yeah, you don't want to end up like that guy.
Bought the farm right there. Old
Yep.
Bert. Read his name off the cross, dude. They scrape a couple of bikes off the guardrail every year. If this is Montague, and this might be Route 23. Yeah, we're on 23. Sick. So we can take this all the way back to Berkshire Valley,
Yes.
past the rink.
Yeah, sweeping right and left-handers at 70.
Yeah. All right, so here we are. We're following Nick. We're on Route 23 in Sussex County, New Jersey, and it is just like S's, S-turns, back and forth, sweeping 60, 70 miles an hour, just rolling through. I mean, it's really, really cool. It's a 50 or a 55 mile an hour zone. It's 2 lanes, and it rocks, man. It rocks. There are definitely a ton of good roads up here. Elevation changes, switchbacks, really cool, really scenic too.
There you go.
Beautiful lakes and rivers and stuff that we're going by, and but this rocks, man. This absolutely rocks. What a ride! What a day! Woo! My ears just popped. Listen to that bike, dude. Listen to that thing. Look at these roads. It sounds so good. I don't think it matters at this point. I mean, you know, oh, now we're in Wantage. Beautiful. Pull over here behind Nick.
It's awesome up here.
It's really nice. I'm glad we came. So got to
Beautiful view.
got to drive the Hawk's Nest. Got to drive 2 other really good roads. One being Route 23. The other one was some little side road that Nick showed us that you would never find. It's like top secret spot. You'll never find that unless you know what you're looking for. And that was pretty cool. It was really cool. So did 3 good rides, and then like the ride home from here is
also going to be pretty good.
Yeah.
Down 23.
Yeah, so we have the rest of Route 23, and then we have some backcountry roads to follow. So should be a lot of fun. Thanks for coming along with us
On a Sunday drive.
See you next time.